कम हो रहा था तो सरकार बड़ा पाव एंड बॉलीवुड को हमने बहुत फिंगल किया है। अब होली का गब्बर सिंह कंपनी से होली का भावो मचा है। सडनली somebody is eating vada pav and then the voice of भावो मचा है। It gets odd, you know, क्या हो गया? And then गोली 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 vada pav गोली। So I think vada pav chai and the brand on which we are. I always said that you have a dream. The dream has come on the womb of the universe. The responsibility of the universe to conspire. The universe conspires to help you achieve your dream. Start believing in this. Because होना बहुत ही from for even all the investors.
This is a philosophical statement. What was the practical steps on how did you approach that?
I'll be very I never. We had this aspiration which had to be done, but they liked the passion with which they had done. Somewhere there is a lot of scientific economics. You call something called spare capacity utilization, which is there in economics. You have a huge plant, 50 crore. There's a market which is growing at say 100 rupees is what the market McDonald's segment. There's a differentiation. McDonald's is all about fun, non-spicy, mayonnaise. Vada pav is all about pav, chutney, spicy. So there's a market which is there also. So the back end people also think the economics of scale will work with us. As we grow, we are a segment which is built on volumes. MAP is what we do. As our volume increase incoming, cost of production will come down.
So OSI doesn't have any investment or no partnership or
There always a partnership and this situation is there. But as a small company, people who are friendly with us, they say, this is not the right time.
You have two parts, right? The vada and the pav.
Yeah.
What is it? You have standardization of the pav.
Yeah, now pav, what is happening is that if you try and supply a 1 rupee pav from here to Chennai or Bangalore, the entire company will be there on the road. So we said, pav जो बनाना है locally, pav में ज़्यादा नहीं, मैदा लगता है, yeast लगता है, standardized. तो वो recipe दे देते, bakers are all over India, they can do it. But just because we want to have a standard, we tried doing the McDonald's pav, but I'll tell you, Indians are very picky. A lot of people say तुम्हारा पाव बढ़िया रहेगा, 50 crore के plan में बनता रहेगा, but we want the ladhi pav. And the ladhi pav is different. You know, Indians are chapati. They like something which is pulled like this. The pav is very dry. So pav and the bun is very dry. The pav contains 60% water. When you have 50-60% water, the machine can't run it.
Once it's made.
9 months. Now once it's made, the frozen condition is 6 to 9 months.
Okay, a quick thing. All questions on the Goli Vada Pav business model can be taken offline with Venki. We'll finish off with Pranesh's presentation and then we'll get into the Q&A. Pranesh?
Hello, check.
Yeah. After this presentation, it's going to be very tough because I think nothing like talking to somebody who's actually done it himself and delivered it. I think the passion, the experience, everything comes through. Fabulous job, Venki. In fact, I wish I didn't have to talk and listen to you more today. What I had here is really going to summarize what Venki, he says intuitively, but I'm sure he's a smart man, has done quite effectively. Basically, what he talked about is how did he construct the brand, and this is theory which basically reflects the practice in that sense. First, you need to choose the value, provide the value, that is, design the product to provide the value, and then communicate the value. That is what marketing process is all about. Choose the value, segmentation, who do you go after, which markets do I focus on, what is my competition, and therefore what is my value positioning. And then provide the value, you go down to how do I develop the product,